Hey guys, welcome to a Mr. Mastodon video, and we are going to blow stuff up with this thing, magic. Look. Yeah, look at that blow up. Look at us blow up that stuff. Look at it. Look at that noob, and look at us as pros. He is the rake. I feel bad. Look. That poor guy. With the rake. We didn't even get to the rake, and we don't want to. The rake is stupid. Stupid rake. I don't want to be near anybody. Wait, a rake. No, you're a rake. You're a rake, man. No, you have a rake. You don't deserve to be alive. I'm gonna blow you up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm blowing you up. You're raked. Yeah. Madness. Some of these codes here don't work, but one of the codes is like really amazing. So I think I found a code, guys. Okay, let's try it, guys. You ready? Okay. No. Yeah, I forgot one. No, this code doesn't work. It's supposed to give you a lot of Robux, like 55,000. I don't know, 50 million. I think it is. So it's technically 5 billion. And here is really like crazy. I mean, guys, this blown up stuff. Dynamite. Check that stuff out with dynamite. Like, check it out. Like, I am not just a guy who wants to blow stuff up and people are rigged. And I'm not rigged. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not rigged. I mean, guys, you know one thing that's very weird in this game? We have the same face. He just has glasses, but we look better. Guys, we look better. You can look better than that, right? You know what? After I'm done digging for a few minutes, for like 1 minute, and then I think I'm gonna switch my job. This is not a good job. I'm definitely not going to be in mail. I'm not gonna work at a pizza place. I was thinking we're like a superhero or something. Because, like, superheroes is the coolest. Hey guys, and I guess I am a police. So, yeah, I'm a police now. And, yeah. I am going to grab this. And I'm going to shoot any bad guy. There you go. You don't go anywhere. You're not supposed to be here, young kid. I'm sorry. Oh, you think you can murder anyone? You think think you can just run off murdering people? Well, you can't murder me, too bad. Okay, you can't, hey, buddy, you can't just go running off being a bad guy. You have to be the good guy. Oh, you think you can be no, you know what, I've done this life, and I'm gonna go get myself a gun. Okay, I'm gonna check the security footage. Let's see what's happening in the surveillance cams. Okay, let's start here. Oh, hey guys. Okay. Ah, there, just as I thought. There was a bad guy in the yard. She took a hammer this time. No, we're not stopping. No, you think you can do whatever you want? You can't, you can't, you can't. Let's see who won this war. Okay. Oh, come on. Let's see. Give it a good shot. No. I can't wait till it is resting time for them. Then we can move along. That's right. Then we can move along. Now, here, we're going to leave. I see someone escaped. Sorry, you're under arrest. You can't move. You can't just move like that. Sorry, you're a prisoner now. What's up? Sorry. You're not escaping anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You think I don't see you? You really think I don't see you? Good. That was a lucky day. That was lucky. Guys, I just need to just... Oh, no! 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 You are not doing that. No! No! I didn't know where you came. No, I didn't know where. No! I want to be a neutral. No, please. I just want to be a guard. I can't be an inmate. Inmate's a horrible job. It's a horrible job. I can go guard. But has the prison ever thought of doing a more... Well, you know what? They're fine. But, yeah. So, yeah, technically this is a good place to be. Nobody realizes it, but I am right here. I am right here, my dudes. I'm right here, my dudes. Okay. That's it, that's it. Hey. Hey, I don't want you going anywhere. Just need my car. Give me my car. Just give me my car. I shoot it, and it gives me a car. Seriously? Does this car even work? How do you move this thing? I'll just turn on the siren. You know what? That's it. That's it. You stay there. You stay there. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That was a very sad retirement. Oh, but very happy at the same time. I see there is someone here. Ah. Aha. Sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2. Sorry, you cannot. You can't just go running off like that, buddy. Sorry, buddy. That was sad for him. That was just sad. That was just sad. That was just sad. Yeah, that was just sad. That was just sad. That was just sad. That was just sad. Yeah, that was just sad. No, after I caught the prisoner. I died. Is that what I deserve to do? Look at that face. Does he deserve it? Does he? Does he do? You know what? I'm killing this dude. Ew, ew, ew. Your butt, ew, ew. No, ew, 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 no. Ew, ew. That's it. Please reload. Reload quick. No. This guy's good. That's it. I'm taking him out. I'm taking you out.